or door. Then there's sirens, and it happens, and kablam! Now we explore the town, the London city thing. And follow the piano. I wonder what's down here. Diddly squawk. Okay, I'm gonna check up here first. I'm gonna get it. Damn. Okay, whatever. And then we look at the dead body! Yay! Yeah, you walk up to it. Then you get close. And it grabs you. Nope, someone stole from him. Or her. Or whatever it is. Looks like a him. I'm gonna go with a him. Didn't you get killed? Did it? The ring. Give me back my ring. That's my ocean. My ring. I'm gonna pawn shop it. No ring for you. Oh. Spiritual hearing. Blah blah. Sentimental ring blah. Okay, I get it. I know how to do it. Let me bolt. 1942. Yay! Oops. No, that's not supposed to happen. Get the ring and give it to the man who's dead. Then they give you some. Yay! Sigil stone. Sigil. And then she says, open it to me, or something. Nothing here. You see this thing? Go to this, and either save or refill your little toy line thing. I'm not going to save right now. Yes, we follow the piano. And we don't even question anything that's happened so far, like the ghost, or the fat man. She follows the piano. She didn't even knock on any doors. You know what the best part about this game is? You get to hear me scream. Yay! No, seriously, if it's like a little bit of a surprise, when her panic meter goes up, my panic meter goes up, and I scream. Old fountain. If she gets attacked, I scream. I will. Okay, I give the pen to this thing. not a band, a band. And then it snows. And this person playing pianos tends to stop a lot. Creepy. I should save soon. Or I'd fill this thing or something. What's over here? I'm gonna go in there. Go on there. Nothing. Oh, wait. Okay, now get back to business. Go into this room. Store Norton's tail. Come in. Ooh, someone robbed the place. Wasn't me. No hand pointing. No pointing. No pointing fingers. The viewer did it. Not me. I don't want it in here now. Paper. Dad's letter. Jimmy, how are you? I am now in France. And original blah 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 blah. Something about war. Holiday. London. Jane. Something darling. With love. Daddy. I'd read that, but I'm kind of lazy. Why do you gotta, like, go up the stairs so slow? Go quicker. It's useless. And there's blood. Yay, blood! Look at all the blood. Wow. Look at all that blood. Gallons and gallons of bloody blood. Oh. I gotta read this, I suppose. Christmas tragedy. Young pianist brutally murdered. Christmas Day, 1942, Pall Mall. May Norton, age 12, was found murdered in the Norton's Taylors. She was discovered by Norton family nanny Jane Stride, who returned home to find the victim unconscious, bleeding from the head. An autopsy had revealed that it was an instantaneous death, caused by a blow to the skull with a heavy, blunt object. No suspect has been named. The victim had taken part in the 15th annual piano concours at the Victoria Hall in Kensington the previous day. In Summit, pianist Miss Norton was widely tipped for her first prize, but an unfortunate error in her performance prevented her from taking the crown. May had been living at home alone since her father, William Norton, a serving officer, returned to the front in July. Now we're going to see something bloody. Caution, look away if you are pleased. Or if you're like a kid. And I'm gonna die.